Hi friends, Bill here with Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips. Good to have you with us because today we are going to shine some light on those darker areas around your home or perhaps your workspace where you really don't want to have to hire an electrician to come in just to put some lights down there. You don't have to do that anymore thanks to this handy little package from Ezvalo. It's LED motion sensor lights, and there are 2 of them in this packet. So let's open it up and we will explore together why this could be the solution that you've been looking for adding some light to those kind of darker areas. First of all, when we pull everything out of the kit, this is it. There are 2 charging cords, USB-C. You've got some instructions and then the 2 lights. Now, I did open this package up prior to coming on camera so that we could charge them and have them ready to go. But the super easy operational nature of these, I think, makes them really, really appealing. So first and foremost, let's just flip them over on the back because these will mount basically wherever you want them to go. There's little stickers. You'll peel off the adhesives and then they slide up and under in your cupboard or around the corner or wherever you'd like them to be. But here's the beauty of these lights. They have multiple operating modes. First of all, the charge lasts quite a long time. You shouldn't have to recharge these for a couple of months unless you're leaving them on 24 hours a day, which I wouldn't think you would be doing. Okay, we've got all the components out of the box. Now let me give you a quick overview of how simple this whole process is and how well these things work. The master on and off switch is here on the end. We're just going to flip that over and turn it on. When we do that, the light's going to come right on, but it doesn't have to stay on. We can actually turn it off by getting through these manual modes and taking it all the way off. So that is the first option that you have, is the manual mode. We're just going to turn it on, and if you'd like to light brighter, you just keep changing the intensity with this button on the far side. However, there's another really cool mode in here. There are actually 2 more modes in here. One is a motion sensor that kicks in during the daytime, and the other is a motion sensor that kicks in when everything is dark around it. Now, obviously here in the studio, I can't show you what it looks like to operate it in complete darkness, but I'm covering up the sensor right now in this lighted environment to show you when this light goes off here in probably 10 seconds or so, how quickly the light responds to motion. All right, you ready? It's in the mode that is motion sensor during daytime, and as soon as I move this hand, this light's going to spring to action. Boom, there we go. Why does that matter? Well, perhaps you have a late night path that you take to your kitchen or to your restroom or to some other part of the house. Maybe you have a senior citizen in your home that struggles with darkness and doesn't always know where to find light switches. This is that kind of a mode that senses their motion before they really get to the area where it's most needed, and the light will come on. So I think these are fantastic. It's a really good value. There's 2 in the packet, and you'll be up and running in no time with these LED motion sensor lights. Thank you for watching us here on Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips. I do hope you'll subscribe to the channel and let us know what we can help review for you. See you next time.